days, Sunday. I, the bar, Aitabar, Aitabar. Some people may say Aitbar, Aitbar. Monday, Sombar, Sombar, Sombar. Sombar is also known as Day of Lord Shiva. Sombar or Monday is very important day on Shravan month. On that day, people worship Lord Shiva. Tuesday, Mangalbar, Mangalbar. Mangalbar is the day of Lord Ganesh. Wednesday, Bu, the bar, Buddha bar, Buddha bar. Thursday, Bihi bar, Bihi bar. Friday, Shukra bar, Shukra bar, Shukra bar. Saturday, Shani bar, Shani bar, Shani bar. Some people may say Sanchar bar. Saturday is public holiday in Nepal. And on Friday, banks may open up to 1 p.m. only. So if you are in Nepal and doing financial transactions at bank, then you will need to visit bank before 1 p.m. Month, April to May, Baisakh, Baisakha, Baisakh, or some people may say Baisakh. Baisakh is the first month. May to June, Jeth. Jeth is the hottest month in Nepal, and Jeth 15 is the most hottest day. June to July, Asar, Asar, Asar. Rainy season begins from Asar. Shravan, Shravan, Shravan. Bhadra, Bhadra, Bhadra. Ashoz, Ashoz, Ashoz. People celebrate Dasai during this month. Kartik, 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 Kartik. This is the month of Deepavali, Tihar. In this month, we celebrate Tihar. Tihar is also known as Festival of Lights. Mangshira, Mangshir, Mangshir. Pus, Pus. This is the cold month. Magh, 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 Magh. Faguna, Fagun, Fagun. In this month, we celebrate festival of color known as Holi. Holi, Holi. Chait, Chait or Chaitra, Chaitra. This is the last month of the year. Chait or Chaitra. Thank you. धन्यवाद.